PTE Retell Lecture. Many students are unable to get marks in Retell Lecture, which is a speaking task. Okay, it is your fourth task in PTE Speaking. Now, why you cannot get marks in Retell Lecture is because in Retell Lecture you get marks for listening and speaking. Okay, so if you are speaking, you are fluent, your pronunciation is top notch, you will get marks in speaking. But what about the content? Right, that is your listening part. Okay, so the content that you say, the keywords that you say, either you use a template or anything, please make sure you use proper keywords, the keywords that are relevant to your topic. Okay, if you use any other keywords like any normal keywords, okay, or if you use any keywords that are not specific to your main topic, then you will not get marks in listening. Okay, describe image, many students get marks because in describe image your content does not matter much, but in Retell Lecture your content matters very much. So please make sure whatever you say, it is related to your topic. Okay, my name is San. For more tips, tricks, information, follow us. I'll see you guys soon.